Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A71, and let me show you all the ringtones for the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then locate and open sounds and vibration and go to ringtone. So pick whichever SIM card you would like to change the ringtone to, and now we can come along with all the possibilities, starting with 80s phone. And this is it. Finally, just pick the one that you like the most, for example, Haze. Let's go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed and you just came along with all possible ringtones in your device. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.